If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can copy selected pixels in Photoshop to another place in the image or into another image. To copy and paste pixels in Photoshop from a selected layer, first select the layer that contains the pixels to copy, and then make the desired pixel selection. To copy the pixel selection in the selected layer, then select Edit, Copy from the menu bar. Alternatively, to copy pixels in a selection through all layers in Photoshop instead, select Edit, Copy Merged from the menu bar. Then decide where to paste the copied pixel selection. You can paste the copied pixels into either the same Photoshop document or a different document. In either document, you can also either paste the copied pixels into a blank pixel layer you select in either document, or into a new pixel layer if you select a layer containing existing content in either document. If you choose to paste into the same document from which you copied the pixels, you may want to deselect the pixel selection first by choosing Select, Deselect from the menu bar. To paste a copy of the selected pixels into the center of the canvas in either a blank selected layer or a new layer, depending on your layer selection in the Layers panel, choose Edit, Paste from the menu bar. If needed, to then move the pasted pixel selection in the new layer, click the Move tool in the Tools panel, and then click and drag the pasted selection to a new place in the image. Alternatively, to paste the pixels into the same relative location in the document's canvas from which you copied the pixels, within either a blank selected layer or a new layer, depending on your layer selection in the Layers panel, choose Edit, Paste Special, Paste in Place from the menu bar. Alternatively, to specify the location into which to paste the pixel selection in Photoshop, make another separate selection in either the same image or a different image into which to paste the pixel selection, or around which to paste the pixel selection. To then paste the copied pixels into the selection you just created, select Edit, Paste Special, Paste Into from the menu bar. Alternatively, to paste the copied pixels around the selection using the selection area as a layer mask, select Edit, Paste Special, Paste Outside from the menu bar. It is important to note that when you copy and paste data between images with different pixel resolutions, you may need to resize one of the images prior to copying or pasting, so the copied data doesn't appear disproportionate to the image into which it is pasted. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.